we don't need any more new laws. Yesterday, I posted a couple videos on the proposed legislation in the state of Florida, the Combating Violence, Disorder, and Looting and Law Enforcement Protection Act. And the point of those videos was to suggest that we don't need anything additional to protect the citizens of the state of Florida from what's going on around the country. Of course, rioting and looting is wrong, but we already have laws in place to combat that. So we don't need a special, legislative package to combat any of those things. It's already illegal in the state of Florida to burn a building. It's called arson. We have laws in place to arrest and prosecute those people. It's already illegal in the state of Florida to break car windows or to cause damage to property. So enforce those laws to arrest and prosecute people that do that. We already have laws in place in Florida that it's illegal to throw things or hit law enforcement. So, and it's already a felony. So enforce those laws and prosecute those people. The slippery slope that this legislation potentially gets into is it makes it illegal what is otherwise constitutionally allowed conduct. Constitutionally, you are allowed free speech. You are allowed to assemble. So if someone is exercising their constitutional rights and somebody goes rogue and breaks a window or burns something down, how can you hold someone responsible for the actions of someone else? It just doesn't seem to pass the constitutional scrutiny test that laws have to follow. And once again, like we said, we already have the laws in place to prosecute and arrest the bad guys. You don't need to quash and to quell someone's constitutional rights. We have the right to assemble. We have the right to free speech, and those people that are following the rules and following the law shouldn't have the fear and worry about being arrested for felonies, for being convicted felons, just because someone else chose a different path. So instead of adding more laws, instead of potentially infringing upon the constitutional rights of the citizens of the state of Florida, just enforce the laws that we already have in place. If someone's breaking the law, arrest them, prosecute them, but don't lump the entirety of the assembly in the same group. Hold that person accountable and allow people to continue to exercise their constitutional rights. Allow their voices to be heard. So, like I said, this is going to be a long road, and we're going to see this, go through the legislature. We're going to see the definitions, come and go, and through the hearings and committee meetings. So I'll be following this along, and if you have any questions, concerns, feel free to comment below, and I will answer all the questions and concerns that you have with my legal advice. So hope to have you along with this journey with me, and I will talk to you soon.